Good afternoon. Time check now is 1:40 p.m. I'm now I just checked out from the hotel, the cafe called In the Mood Cafe. So having coffee here with the Alex bike. Decal. Malosi.
Pun manusia.
Wah. Akaprovic. Titanium screw. Forge.
Ya.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. This mirror. You can see?
Yeah, can see. But not so good.
But not so good, right?
Not so good.
I know. That's for fashion, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's for trend. Power. I wanted to put this mirror, but I scared I cannot see.
Exactly.
No safety.
I almost asked you if you want. Because they are one here.
Huh? Okay, my motorbike is ready. New cover set. Oh, new cover set. New side stand. Rim is good. Then clutch. New cover set. With the sticker, they put for me sticker. So kind of that. And this polishing is just finished polish. New rack. New rack. Awesome lah. Very shiny.
Very shiny. Yeah.
Okay, my bike is all good. Now I want to go have some food, halal food for lunch. So, alamak, is it close? So we see how it goes. My bike here. Okay. I had chicken rice, not bad. The food is nice. After this, I'm going to load my motorbike and train. Time check now is 3:30 p.m. After this, I go to meet my friends and Malaysian counterparts at the station. Okay, makan first. My motorbike outside. Okay guys, I'm now at this. I know this name. The name I cannot pronounce because I don't know what the name of the station. So this is the place whereby we're gonna load up our motorbikes. I meet up with the gang already. They're here. I'm gonna load up their motorbike stuff or the motorbike to the train. So now she's handling the ticket. So we consider sending a parcel. Yeah. Looks like we're gonna have one more night in Bangkok. Then tomorrow noon we're gonna come here. So it's going 14 hours train ride to Hat Yai. Okay? Okay, I'll update you guys later. Okay guys, the process is done. The ending point is to get this from the counter at parcel station there, over there. Then we just leave it. They will do the wrapping for you. Yeah. You need to produce is firstly your vehicle certificate, then your passport, and you buy the ticket online. Then they will and they will process for you your bike to the train. It's quite easy process just that you have to pay cashier, no card. Okay? Yeah. Then yeah, that's all. That's it for our train for tomorrow. Oh, look at this train, it's full house, man. Full house. Apa Bombay train? Tak tahu. Dekat mall ni dekat mall lah. Semua makanan halal lah sana. Tenang. Okay guys, time check now 6:17. Today's date 22 January 2026. Okay, so we take the Grab taxi together with my friends. So to the train station, we took the Grab train together. Then now we reach this hotel called Korner. Hah? Ini hotel dia baru masuk ni. Tak bergaduh, kata tak sama-sama, separate. Toilet kat sini macam biasa juga. Dengan brother Anas ni. Okay, kita dah jumpa kembali. Ni tingkat berapa ni? Tingkat 4 tingkat 5. Tengok view, the view from here. Oh, aku punya adventure kat sini seriously best in the world Adventure habis Duduk kedai kopi nanti. Waiter you see I come back Singapore. Oh. Okay guys, in the hotel room now at the name of the hotel is Korner. So we're gonna spend here one night at Bangkok. After that we will go to Hat Yai. The train is departing tomorrow at 4:30 PM Thai time. So we will be there around 3:30 or 3 o'clock earlier. Then we will reach Hat Yai the day after at 7:05 AM. Yeah. So that's the plan for tomorrow. As of now, the last night at Bangkok, we spent the night in Bangkok. Yeah. So okay, that's all for today. Tonight, I'll catch you all out at Hat Yai tomorrow evening. Our bikes are loaded up already. Night.
I placed my keys beside the doorway. The room was quiet in a familiar way. The chair still faced.
Okay, now this is the inside the train. So ours is 37 39.